Okay, so this is how to give Voicemeeter control access to full access to your sound. When you come to your soft system settings, when you come to your system settings, you come to your audio settings. When you come to audio settings, you click on Voicemeeter input and Voicemeeter aux input. And Voicemeeter aux input, you'll start noticing that your audio now comes in here. So anything your PC audio comes in here in Voicemeeter aux input. That's where you can now route that audio in OBS in Voicemeeter 2. It's like doing a desktop audio for OBS, but this time around, it's just Voicemeeter that is handling the whole audio that is coming in. That way, you cannot say I'm looking at an audio just goes and plays out to your head without being mixed. So it can actually use aux 1 or input, depending on the one that you saw in your Voicemeeter panel or the way you set your program. Next video is already waiting. Don't miss it.